What's up, everyone? This video is going to teach you how to coin roll so you can start doing things like this. Begin by pinching the coin between your thumb and index finger. The coin will move along your hand as you raise the previous finger to flatten, then lower the forward finger in order to pinch it. This progressive pinching and flattening is what will allow the coin to move across each of your fingers. Once the coin reaches your pinky, you'll have to slide it through by creating an opening. Then, using your thumb, firmly press the coin against each of your fingers in order to bring it back to the original position. You might notice you have trouble getting the coin to get in the proper spot in order to pinch it. In this case, you can use the previous finger or your thumb in order to move the coin farther along. Ideally, though, your hand should be angled at a position where the coin naturally falls into the right spot. Start slowly to get a feel for the coin in each of these positions. Pinch, flatten, pinch, flatten, pinch, and slide through, then drag back across your fingers. Once you start feeling comfortable rolling the coin, you can begin picking up speed and eventually start going as fast as you can in order to get as much control as possible. Coin rolling can also work in reverse, but it's a little more uncomfortable because you have to invert your hand towards you in order for gravity to be on your side. However, once you get this down, you can start going back and forth, which is pretty cool. Quarters will likely be the most accessible and easy to use coins. But you can also use pennies, nickels, dimes. Here I'm using a Native American dollar coin. You can also use international coins, and you can even use prop coins that go well with costumes. If you're having trouble rolling the coin, here's an exercise that can help. Practice opening and closing each of your fingers individually. Then try the same thing with your fingers tucked in. This should help give you the dexterity you need in order to roll a coin smoothly across each of your knuckles. The best way to practice, in my opinion, is just to have extra coins on you wherever you are. Keep some extra coins near your computer, by the TV, in your pocket, and practice while you're doing other things. Soon enough, it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching the video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. If you got anything out of this video, or if you have any questions about coin rolling, let me know in the comments below, and I'd love to help out. Other than that, subscribe for more skill content coming soon. Take care.